Hi, I'm Ethan with Wolfington Body Company. Today we're going to be checking out our 2020 ICCE technology bus. You can see it here behind me. If you look to the front of it, you'll notice that this bus has a chrome grille. Of course, you always have the option for yellow. Stainless steel mirror brackets with the option of black. And heated and remote mirrors for your crossover and your side view. Underneath the hood, you have the powerful Cummins 6.7 liter B diesel engine backed by the legendary Allison 2500 series transmission. As you walk back here, you'll notice that it has tinted windows. Of course, you can have the option of tinted or non-tinted, as well as the color of your window frame. You can get black or you can get the natural aluminum finish. You'll see a little bit more inside, but we've updated our windows starting in 2018. A lot easier, user-friendly, more dependable. Our bus has LED lights all the way around. Clearance lights, backup, brake, 8 ways. You have the option for your 8 ways of having LED, halogen, or even LED strobing. Our package comes with a 100-gallon fuel tank with the option of 65. If you walk to the back, you'll notice some of the LED lights that I mentioned. We also run our exhaust pipe through the bumper, not underneath, so that you don't hit it when you're in a low ground clearance situation. Now that we've checked out the outside of the bus, let's look at the inside. As we're walking into the bus, you might have noticed our large entry door. It's 35 inches, the biggest in the industry. You'll also notice that our steps come with a pebble top anti-slip grip so that your school students have less of a chance of slipping in wet or icy conditions. As we walk up into the bus, one of the first things you'll notice about it is that we have our driver interface right here. Obviously a little different than any of your other buses, but as I mentioned, this is our technology bus. So as you sit in our school bus driver designed cockpit, again, school bus driver, not built around a truck driver, you'll notice that everything is laid out right in the driver's reach. Easy to see, easy to control. As I had mentioned, right here you have your driver display. That is for your Bendix Wingman Fusion system that this bus is equipped with. Now your Bendix Wingman Fusion system has lane departure, which will give your driver a warning if you get 6 inches over the line one way or the other. It also does collision mitigation, so it has a radar in the front of the bus that senses the vehicle in front of you. When it senses you get too close, it has a 3-stage warning system. The closer you get, the louder the audible alarm gets. Until the point where you are right at a potential collision situation, the bus will actually take over and engage the brakes. Now this system is not designed to replace the driver, it's just designed to help the driver, because nothing replaces a driver's instincts on the road. The system also has a camera up front that will read speed limit signs. If you're going 5 miles an hour over the speed limit sign, it gives you an audible alarm. If it sees that you're going 10 miles an hour over the speed limit, it will actually give you a quick 1-second throttle reduction just as a wake-up call to say, hey, check it out, you're going too fast. This bus also is equipped with a Rosco exterior camera system. The Rosco system actually displays in your rear student display mirror. Now you can't see it when it's off, so you can have a clear view when you're looking through the back. When it's on, you'll notice that as you turn your blinkers on, it gives you a view of the exterior. It also has a backup camera built in when you're in reverse, and when you open your entry door, it has a camera right above the entry door that looks down, and one that's mounted on the front of the grille so that you can see in front of you. That way you don't miss any children that might be small that are hidden in areas you otherwise could miss. This bus also, now standard on all IC products, has electronic stability control built right into it. The electronic stability control is there to help the driver in any kind of slippery, icy conditions. It monitors the vehicle's speed and direction and will correct using the ABS system to avoid a potential issue that you could have or a crash. This technology bus also has a Khajiit Wi-Fi system for your students to use while they're on the bus. And of course, it comes with parental controls so that the school bus owner or the school could monitor what your students are doing in the back. That way they can focus more on important things like homework while they're on the ride. As we leave our driver area, we'll take a look at your student area back here. One of the first things that I'll have you look at is our new windows that I mentioned outside. Completely different vendor, much more dependable, and easy to use. A small child would have no issues lowering or raising the window. I'll have you also look at our seats. This bus has gray seats, but you have the option of blue, brown, green, or black, as well as the floor. These seats have the heavy-duty 52-ounce vinyl, and of course you always have the option of the standard 42-ounce. Our bus also has the option of LED interior lights. You also can do the regular standard halogen if you prefer. If you look at the ceiling, all I see standard equipment is a full sound abatement roof. Also, one of the most exciting and new options by IC would be the one-piece floor. If you look, you'll notice that there's no trim, there's no seams. Completely eliminates any trim, any catch for dirt, salt, any other corrosive material that gets underneath your trim and into your floor. If you look, you'll also notice, as part of our technology bus, each seat has 2 USB charging ports for your students. Thanks for doing a walk-around video with us on our 2020 IC CE Technology Bus. If you like this bus, don't forget to check out our website at wolfington.com, as well as all of our social media platforms. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.